Kraksalo Rajakhor Agulini Rabindra Bhavan Palaijakha Utkal de Manjaka Hasni Hastefa Indroshonare de Nalono Khoboi Kusuk Beremni Samung Khlaine Orishani Lukorok
अनुरोध करता हूं कि महामहिम राज्यपाल जी का करताल ध्वनि के साथ स्वागत करें। इसी के साथ मैं मंच पर
Ashalni Pandau Pulano Pandau Manchakna Narbai Rok Norishakano Lamzak Shogina Harzaka Abni Aglotati Tharmusingi Pandro Ching Shoviraka Pandau Manchakna Narbai Rok Ashalo Rajakhor Agulini Rabindra Bhavan Utkal de Palaijakha Ashalni Pandau Cox Hanani Tanga Hasni Hastefa Indroshonare de Nalo Shaka Utkal de Palaijakmani Unka Orishani Orisha Shamas Tripura Regi Abno Karebo Ashlo Tebo Talbidal Nangumani Koklam Shawikanaroka Hasni Hastefa Indroshonare de Nalo
जीवन दर्शन अत्यंत शिक्षणीय और प्रेरणाप्रद त्रिपुरा समस्त परिषद के उन सबके लिए एक बार करताली ध्वनि से उनका थोड़ा सा अभिनंदन करेंगे। हमारे नन्हे बच्चे भी हमारे साथ
ओडिशा दिवस का आप सबको शुभकामनाएं। It is with a renewed sense of joy and deep appreciation that I am attending this program once again for the second time to celebrate Utkal Divas, simply Utkal Divas. The return of this vibrant gathering organized by the Varishta Samaj Tripura feels like a homecoming, a reaffirmation of the reduced enduring bonds of culture and friendship that unite us. I visited Orissa many times. Whether you seek spiritual solace, natural wonders, adrenaline pumping adventures, or a taste of culture richness, Orissa promises an unforgettable journey through its enchanting landscapes and vibrant traditions. Last year I visited Orissa Puri Bhavan, which is having a beach attached, and Khorang temple I visited last time, and also the natural birds lake of that is Chilka lake there. As we commemorate the anniversary of the formation of Odisha, let us reflect on the remarkable journey of this state, a land steeped in history, spirituality and artistic brilliance. Orissa is the bastion of rich cultural heritage with its historical monuments, archaeological sites, traditional arts, sculpture, dance and music. From time immemorial, Orissa has attracted a large number of scholars, artists and tourists. Orissa is renowned for its rich blend of cultural diversity and natural beauty. Bhubaneswar boasts a plethora of Hindu temples and scenic rivers.
Ashale Pandava Narawi Okra Angi Manjaka Hasni Hastefa Indroshonare de Nalono Khoboi Kusuk Beremni Samung Khlaine Orishani Lukorok Rajakhor Agulini Simi Pronamni Kokthum Chini Khorang